In this video, we'll explore the KPIs by tag type feature in Punditas AI. In today's digital world, organizations generate vast amounts of knowledge, but how do you know which content is truly engaging your team? Without the right insights, valuable data can go unnoticed, making it difficult to understand what resonates with users and what doesn't. Introducing Punditas AI, your all-in-one solution for tracking, analyzing, and optimizing knowledge engagement within your organization. Unlock the full potential of your shared knowledge with Punditas AI. Gain powerful insights to measure and enhance content effectiveness. Identify which resources, like video tutorials, help articles, or workarounds, engage users the most. Optimize knowledge management with real-time metrics and deliver targeted content that boosts learning and productivity. With Punditas AI, knowledge isn't just stored, it's strategically utilized. Now, let's explore how you can access KPIs by tag type in Punditas AI. Navigate to Knowledge Analytics and click on Knowledge Usage. Only admin users can access this module. Select KPIs by tag type from the available options. All the knowledge paths sent by the company's administrators as company knowledge paths can be seen here. Click on any of the knowledge paths displayed and get the detailed insights. Explore all user engagements on each tag type by the number of views, as shown here. For example, here is what's in Creo 8 blog tag for the select knowledge path got 22 views. With Punditas AI, admins can refine their content strategies for maximum impact. Analyze key performance metrics by tag type to identify the most effective content. Invest in what works best, enhance engagement by aligning knowledge paths with user needs, and make learning more interactive and effective. Every knowledge-sharing effort is backed by data-driven precision. Unlock smarter, more impactful knowledge management with Punditas AI. You can use Punditas AI's knowledge usage feature directly within PTC Creo parametric. Punditas AI's KPIs by tag type feature helps admin users track engagement with different content types, like video tutorials, help articles, and more. Gain insights, refine strategies, and enhance knowledge sharing. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.